Morning, team! Right, today's jobs. Answer emails, take client calls, edit videos, design graphics, manage socials, book appointments, update the website.
Anything else?
Yeah, can you also clone yourself?
Yeah, nah.
If your business needs more than one pair of hands, it's time for an offshore team. OceanClick connects you with skilled virtual assistants, creatives, customer support, video editors, and more.
Hello, good morning. I have just completed the daily report. I am sending it
So
over.
everyone does what they do best.
And because we're celebrating our 6th anniversary, get 30% off your first 3 months when you sign this August and pay 3 months up front. But be quick, these spots disappear faster than free office pizza.